Good morning, students. Fine. Whether my voice is audible? Okay, fine. So today we are into the most important topic again from the first PU. So it is of cell cycle and cell division. Yesterday we discussed a lot about cell organelles as well as cell membrane. So most of the questions, like a few of the questions, the weightage is of 3 to 4 marks. Most of the questions will be asked from the plasma membrane point of view regarding the transport. So focus at least one question will come from plasma membrane concept. So focus on that concept too. So let us proceed with the cell division and cycle today. Good morning, YouTube students. Today's first question on cell cycle and cell division is, all of you be ready? Fine. So first we will solve 2 or 3 questions, a very easy questions. Then we will proceed with the brushing up of the ideas, brushing up of the concepts, and then again we will start with the question and answer session. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. The first question of today on cell cycle and cell division is regarding the sequence of cell cycle, which one is correct? This we are learning since 10th standard. Sequence of cell cycle anta bandaga, which one is correct? A, G1, G2, S and M. B, S, G1, G2 and M. C, G1, S, G2 and M. D, G2, S, G1 and M. Yes, guys, what is your response? Good. Tarun, option B. Parvati, option D. Okay. Kanchanaraj, option B. Chaitra, option C. Tarun, option B. So the fight is between option B and option C. Nandish, option B. Hemashri, option B. Pavitra, option C. So let us check the answer. They asked the sequence, the correct sequence. Yaudadmele yaudu anta. So most of you voted for option B. Few of you voted for option C. The right answer is option C. G1, yes, G2 and M. G1, yes, G2 and M. So the guys who answered for option C are right. Just a minute. Okay. Second question goes like this, guys. G1, G2, and S phases are seen in which phase of cell cycle? Option A, metaphase. Option B, prophase. Option C, anaphase. Option D, interphase. G1, G2, S phases. So, ಯಾವ ಸೆಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಪವಿತ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಗೈಸ್? Nandu Dodmani, interface. Kanchana Raj, option D. Good. What about others? Hemashri, be fast. Gyuti, Kanchana Raj, you were absent for few days. Vidya, Nandish. Okay. So most of you answered for option D. That is interface. Exactly. G1, G2 and S phase are seen in the interface. Okay. Next. Third question goes like this, guys. Condensation of chromosomes occurs in which stage? Prophase 1, prophase 2, anaphase and metaphase. Condensation of chromosome, that is thickening of chromosomes, is observed in which phase? Be fast, guys. Yeah. Who is going to answer this? Condensation of chromosomes occurs in which stage? Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Parvati, option A. Okay. Jyoti, option A. Okay, Kanchana Raj. What about others? Nandish, option A. Okay, Kanchana Raj option A, Lohit option B, Pavitra option A. Lohit, you were also absent yesterday. So most of you are voting for option A and few of you voted for option B. Condensation of chromosomes ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is chromatin, the thread-like structures ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು thickening ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it will become the chromosomes. Okay, fine, Lohit. So let us check the answer. The right answer is option A, that is prophase 1. Okay, now. So when we come to the stages of mitosis and cell division, first interphase occurs. Interphase will be G1, S and G2 phases will be there. Then after the interphase, it goes with the prophase. And in late prophase, after that metaphase, anaphase, telophase, then cytokinesis. These are stages of mitosis. So stages of mitosis the first one is DNA replication. Right? DNA replication, prophase, this is metaphase. Metaphasally, all the chromosomes align in the equatorial plane. Anaphase, so they will be moving towards the polar region. Telophase, they will come to the polar region, pole region. Okay, so this is the interface ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ. So I request now, Dyuti, can you read out the slide regarding interface?
Interface. The nucleus and the nuclear envelope are distinct and the chromosomes are in form of thread-like chromatin.
Thank you, Diti. So she said that the nucleolus and nuclear envelope are distinct. Means you can see nucleolus and nuclear envelope. ಯಾಕಿದ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can see ಅಂತ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they might ask the question. Suppose you are given a microscope, you are observing a cell which is in an interface condition. So ಅವಾಗ what all you can see inside the cell ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you should know guys, nucleolus, nuclear envelope as well as chromosomes in the form of thread-like structure which is called as chromatin. Yes, prophase anta bandaga. Yes, Chaitra, can you read out regarding prophase, please?
Yes, ma'am. The chromosomes appear condensed and the nuclear envelope is not apparent.
Okay, so again here interphase prophase cell alli they look similar, but the thing is nuclear envelope is not apparent. Clear agi nuclear envelope iralla. Then we should know that the cell is undergoing prophase condition. Yes, now I want Gayatri illa. Kanchana Raj, can you read about metaphase and anaphase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Metaphase. Thick coiled chromosomes, each with two chromatids are laid upon the metaphase plate. Anaphase. The chromatid of each chromosome are separated and are moving towards the poles.
Okay, thank you. So metaphase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you can see thick coiled chromosomes with two chromatids in the metaphase. Two chromatids are lined up on the metaphase plate ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. Anaphase ಅಲ್ಲಿ, even though the chromosomes appear thick, but you cannot see two chromatids. That chromatids have separated and moving towards the pole. Towards the pole ಗೆ move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Next, when we come to the telophase stage, guys, the chromosomes are at the poles and are becoming more diffuse. Diffuse andre enu, again they are recondensing. Again they are not undergoing condensation, they are converting into the chromatin-like structure. The nuclear envelope is reforming. You can see the nuclear envelope or a nuclear membrane. The cytoplasm may be dividing. Cytokinesis ali division of cytoplasm. So here in the mitosis, we will get from one parent cell, we are getting two daughter cells. We are getting two daughter cells. So it is called as equational cell division because there will be no change in the chromosome number in the parents as well as in the daughter cells. Okay, see, this is a prophase condition, this is a metaphase, this is anaphase, and this is a telophase condition. Fourth question goes like this, guys. Pick out the correct statement regarding the mitosis. Mitosis takes place in the somatic cells and Meiosis takes place in the germ cells. Next, B. During mitosis, the DNA replicates once for one cell division, and in meiosis, the DNA replicates twice for two cell divisions. C. Mitosis and meiosis occur both in sexually as well as asexually reproducing organism. Among three statements, which is a correct statement they asked? ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಬಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಡಿ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Yes, guys, what is your answer? Be fast. Yes, YouTube students. Nandu Doddamani, option D. Yuti, option D. This concept is very interesting actually. Rakshita, Chaitra, Parvati, 10th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಲೋಹಿತ್, A and C both. Viresh, option D. Nandish, option D. Great. Question ಓದ್ರಪ್ಪ. Confuse ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Few of them, only very few of them answered it correct. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ takes place in somatic cells, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ reproductive cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise, meiosis takes place in the germ cell. That is a right statement. So A is a right statement. When we come to the B, guys, during mitosis, the DNA replicates once for one cell division. That is true. But in meiosis, we know that meiosis is divided into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ you can see DNA replication, but there is no DNA replication in the prophase 2, that is of meiosis 2. Prophase 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ DNA replication ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That is why it is called as reductional cell division. ಹೌದಾ? So next, mitosis and meiosis occur both in sexually and asexually reproducing organism. Here they confused you. See, A statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, somatic cell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ mitosis ಆಗತ್ತೆ, reproductive cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ meiosis ಆಗತ್ತೆ. C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? In asexually and sexually reproducing organism. So here options statement C is wrong, guys. Mitosis sexually producing organisms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು, but so here sexually all cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So mitosis ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ here they should give the options as D ಅಲ್ಲಿ A and C ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ you can click or you can vote for D. But they have given A and B anta. So it is not a right option only. So ನಮ್ಮ correct statement, exact statement ಅನ್ಸೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Option A. So option A only is the right answer. Even though so many of you like Nufu Sayyad, Lohit answered it as option D, ಅಲ್ಲಿ correction ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು A and C ಅಂತ. But the option is wrong there. We cannot do that. We cannot correct it. Question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ correction ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? So sometimes they will give grace marks, sometimes they will give ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So option A is the right answer in this. Okay. Fifth question, which is not the character of mitosis? Leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, all of the above. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಟೋಸಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, very easy question. Quick answers, guys, please. Lohit, option D. Okay. Parvati, option D. Nuhu Sayyed, option B. Sonu, option A. Okay. What about others? Be fast. Nandish, option A. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Can you just, can't you guys just type answer? Parvati, option B. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So option D, all of the above is the right answer, guys. Sixth question goes like this. Synoptimal complex is formed during which stage? Meiosis, amitosis, mitosis, cytokinesis. Videsh, option C. Okay. Synoptimal complex is formed in which stage? Be fast. Chaitra, option A. Lohit, option A. Sinchana, option D. Nuhusayyad, option A. After many days, Sinchana, you are attending the class. Nuhusayyad, Pavitra, option A. So most of them voted for option A, that is meiosis is the right answer. Next, synopsis occurs between synapses ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ. A male and a female gamete, mRNA and ribosomes, spindle fibers and chromosomes, two homologous chromosomes. Where can you see synapses? Very good. The quick answer is given by Lohit as option D. Okay. What about others? Nandish, option D. Chaitra, option D. Aishwarya, Pavitra voted for option D. Sonu, option D. Asha, option D. Okay, good. So most of you voted for option D. Nandu Dodmani, option D. Okay. So the right answer is option D, that is two homologous chromosomes. Next. Okay. So let us discuss some points on prophase of mitosis. So prophase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ during first mitotic stage, a nucleolus disintegrate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and chromatin will get condensed into chromosomes, and there is also DNA replication. So prophase ಅಲ್ಲಿ each replicated chromosome comprises, prophase ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ chromosome comprises two chromatids, both with same genetic information. That is the main thing. Chromatids idru alli chromatids alli ಏನಿರತ್ತೆ, the genetic information will be same. Okay, next. So this is a prophase condition. Centrioles move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ, just they initiate. See, animal cell ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ plant cell ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the prophase condition in animal cell, the prophase condition in plant cell. Next, metaphase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, the nuclear envelope disintegrates or breaks down, and a large protein network called the spindle fibers attaches to the sister chromatids. So sister chromatids ಗೆ spindle fibers attach ಆಗ್ತವೆ, which are produced by the centrioles. The chromosomes are now aligned perpendicular to the spindle in a process called metaphase. ಅಂದ್ರೆ equatorial plane ಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. This all we discussed in theory classes, right? So this is the metaphase condition, guys. Okay. See, this is in animal cell, how beautiful it is, and this is a plant cell. Microscopic pictures iveredu. Okay, fine. So the next question is, best stage to observe shape, size, and number of chromosome is interphase, metaphase, prophase, telophase. What is your answer, guys? Be fast. Practical oriented question. Question seems to be easy, but it is liked by many examiners. ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ, because it is practically applied. Okay, Sinchana answered as option C. Okay, option C. Nandish, option C. Lohit, option B. Rakshita, option B. Okay, Pratibha, option C. Aishwarya, option B. Hemashri, option B. Dyuti, Praveen, Parvati, Nuhusayyad, Asha, option C. So most of them voted for option B, that is metaphase anta. See, guys, in the interphase, at least the cells will be undergoing the S, G1 and G2 phase. So alli chromosome number, shape, size niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. So option 1 is wrong. When you come to the prophase, nucleolus will be degenerating. Okay, and the shape of the nucleus will not be observed carefully. And one more thing is chromatin will be condensing. Chromatin condense agi chromosomes ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you cannot count the number of chromosomes. Just now we discussed. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ. See the content and then answer. Okay, So prophase is a wrong answer. Most of you answered as option C, prophase anta. I said simple question answer they trick you. So telophase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, all the chromatids will be separated, so these are in a polar region. So here also you cannot count the chromosome number. So the right answer is option B, metaphase condition, where all the chromosomes will be arranged in an equatorial plane. Okay, so this is regarding the answer. Fine. Next question, if a diploid cell is treated with colchicine, then it becomes what? Triploid, tetraploid, diploid, monoploid. Yes. Diploid cell na. Yes, what is your answer? Be fast. Lohit, option B, tetraploid. Okay. Duty, option B. Lakshmi, option B. Hemashri, option B. Aishwarya, Nuhu Sayyed, most of them voted for option B. Pavitra, option B. Kanchanaraj, option B. That is tetraploid anta. The right answer is option B, tetraploid condition. Next question, very interesting question. Which one of the following precedes reformation of nuclear envelope during M phase of the cell cycle? M phase, mitotic phase. Reformation ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎನ್ವಲಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್. Option A, decondensation from chromosome and reassembly of nuclear lamina, transcription from chromosome and reassembly of nuclear lamina, formation of contractile ring and formation of pragmoplast, formation of contractile ring and transcription from chromosomes. They are asking which one of the following precedes reformation of nuclear envelope. Precedes nuclear envelope reformation ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Kumar, option B. Nandu, option B. Yes, guys, be fast. Lohit, option A. Okay. Viresh, option B. Duty, option A. So the fight is between option A and option B. Guru said the option A. Guru said you did not attend the class yesterday, I guess. Nuzayat Kumar. I'm sorry. So most of you voted for option A. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then most of them answer as option A. A ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ then guys will message as option A. You can't do it on OMR sheet. Okay. So the right answer is option A, that is decondensation from chromosome and reassembly of nuclear lamina occurs preceding the reformation of nuclear envelope. Good. Question number 10. During mitosis, ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleolus begin to disappear at which stage? Late prophase, early metaphase, late metaphase, early prophase. Yes, guys, what is your answer? Virat, option A, very quick response. Okay. Did you log in late, Virat? Kanchanaraj, option A. Hemashri, option A. Gurusid, Parvati voted for option A. Lohit, option A. Nandu Dodmani, option A. Okay. So most of you voted for option A. Rakshita, option A. Just a minute. Fine. Next. So the right answer here is option D. Early prophase alli ER and nucleolus begin to disappear. Disappear ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Begin to disappear. Begin, they start to disappear. So the right answer is option D, early prophase. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ? I can answer. I can score in CET. Yeah, guys. Okay, fine. Next question. Okay. So during anaphase, spindle fibers drag and separate the chromatids, daughter chromatids. This is the anaphase condition in the microscope, a very beautiful anaphase condition. Then, okay, next question. Which of the events listed below is not observed during mitosis? Mitosis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ event ಕಾಣಿಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Option A, chromatin condensation. Option B, movement of centrioles to opposite poles. Option C, appearance of chromosomes with two chromosomes joined together at the centromere. Option D, crossing over, which you cannot observe during mitosis. Yes, guys, what is your response? Okay, the first and quick answer is given by Sinchana as option C. Rakshita, option C. Girls again rock the floor. Okay. Yes, what about others? Duty, option C. Nandu Dodmani, option C. Kanchana Raj, option C. Veeresh, option C. Hemashri, option C. Pavitra, option C. Aishwarya Chaitra voted for option C. Good. So Nuhu Sayyed, option C. Okay. Veeresh, option C. See here. I read option C twice. Appearance of chromosome with chromosomes, two chromosomes joined together at the centromere. Guys, whether chromosomes join together at the centromere or chromatids join together at the centromere? Yes, anyone? Guru Sid answered as option D. Okay, good. Two heart, one soul. Option A. What a name. Yeah. Padmasri, option D. See, option C and most of you voted for option C. Now I showed you the answer, then now you are voting as option D, Parvati chromatids. So chromatids centromere ಗೆ attach ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ chromosomes ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then how you guys can answer it as chromosomes? Option C ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? What they asked, mitosis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ event ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Obviously it is crossing over. Crossing over ನಡೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Right? Crossing over ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ? It occurs in meiosis. It occurs in reproductive cells. So option D is the right answer. Be conscious, guys. Easy question ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲಿ. Okay? The question paper is framed by your masters. ನೀವೇ ಶಾಣೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಶಾಣೆ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay. Next question. Telophase condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? So when telophase is complete, new cell membrane is being formed. The final steps in telophase involve initiation of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane initiate ಆಗ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ telophase condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Cleavage between each of the new daughter cell ultimately yields two separate cells. Mitosis product ಏನು? Two cells, two daughter cells. During cytokinesis, the next phase of cell division. Next. So this is a telophase condition. This is a telophase condition in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. So nuclear envelope will be reforming. Okay. Then during this stage, cytoplasm will be divided. Okay, next question, guys. Which stage of meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chiasmata as its distinctive feature? Meiotic prophase na ಯಾವ stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can see terminalization? Option A, diakinesis. Option B, Pachitin. Option C, leptotin. Option D, zygotin. Yes, guys, what is your response? Virat answered as option A. So few of you only answer for only specific question. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ answer ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be good for you. Aishwarya, Asha voted for option A. Duty, option A. Yes. 1 minute. Okay. Kumar, option A. Hemashri, option A. Veeresh, option A. Chaitra, option A. So most of you voting for option A, that is diakinesis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಾ? Let us check. Right. Very good. The right answer is diakinesis. Okay. ಟರ್ಮಿನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಯಾಸ್ಮಾದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, dissolution of synoptimal complex occurs during synoptimal complex na dissolution ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ zygote, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ zygotin ಆಗ್ಬೇಕದು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ diplotin, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ leptotin, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ pachitin. Yes, what is your response guys? Quick answer by Virat, option B. Okay. Gurusid, option B. Hemashri, option B. Padmashri, option B. Asha, option D. Okay. Chaitra, most of them voted for option B, that is diplotin. Lohit, option B. Meena, option B. Sinchana and Viresh voted for option B. So the right answer is option B, diplotin. So ee reeti nimge direct questions kelidaga you can answer alva. Fine. Meiosis anta bandaga, the next thing is meiosis. It is the process by which gametes or sex cells will be formed with the half the number of chromosome from the parent cell. That is called as meiosis. Okay. Next, during meiosis, diploid cells will be reduced to haploid cells. Thus it is called as reductional cell division. If meiosis did not occur, meiosis ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Number in each new generation would double, the offspring would die because it is not stable according to the environment, right? So the offspring would die. Next, interphase 1, meiosis 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ interphase 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? It is same as mitosis interphase. S synthesis phase occurs where chromosomes replicate, DNA replication occurs. Each duplicated chromosome consists of two identical chromatids attached at the centromere. So ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ duplication ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Centromere and the chromatids will be attached. Okay. Next, centrioles pair also replicate. Centrioles replicate ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? interphase 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ. So meiosis 1, prior to division amount of DNA double. See, interphase 1 ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು, S phase ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ you will get like this. So now the chromosome is ready like this, which will enter the prophase 1 now. Okay, the next question, match the following: A zygotin, B pachitin, C diplotin, D diakinesis. Column B, terminalization, chiasmata or chiasmata crossing over synapses. Select the correct option from the following. So you have to match and you have to select the correct option. Yes guys, who is going to answer this first? Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Kumar, option D. Virat, option A. Good. Sinchana, option B. Okay. Meena, option B. Be fast. Gurusid, option A. Jyoti, option A. Parvati, option A. So the fight is between A and option B. Let us check the answer. The right answer is option A. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? zygotin synapses. During zygotin stage synapses occurs. Then B ಅಲ್ಲಿ, B is 3. Pachitin ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can see crossing over. C ಅಲ್ಲಿ diplotin ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can see chiasmata. Diakinesis. D ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can see terminalization. So option A is the right answer. Okay, option 1. Next question. During meiosis 1, in which stage synapses takes place? Very good. If you observe the question, previous question, you can answer this. Meiosis 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ synapses ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? Pachitin, zygotin, diplotin, leptotin. Parvati, option B. Jyoti, option B. Gurusid, option A. Pavitra, option B. Jyoti, option B. Meena, option B. Okay, most of you voted for option B. Aishwarya, option A. Kumar, Viresh voted for option B. So let us check the answer. Gurusid, option B. The right answer is option B, that is zygotin. Zygotin ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Zygotin ಅಲ್ಲಿ synapses ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Pachitin ಅಲ್ಲಿ crossing over ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Diplotin, chiasmata, diakinesis, terminalization. Next, Crossing over takes place between which chromatids and in which stage of the cell cycle? ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ನಾನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ chromatids of non-homologous chromosome at zygote stage, non-sister chromatid of homologous at Pachitin, non-sister chromatids of homologous at zygote, non-sister chromatids of non-homologous chromosomes at Pachitin stage. Yes, what is your answer, guys? Parvati option C, Virat option B, okay. Jyoti option B, Aishwarya Pagad option D, Gurusit option B, Two Heart One Soul option B, Kanchana Raj option B, Meena option B, okay. Fine, let us check the answer. The right answer is option B, that is non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes at Pachitin stage of prophase 1. Okay. In other subjects, no, you can keep the names at Two Hearts, One Soul. Biology subject only Two Heart, One Soul and the name it contra. I will get confused, man. According to biology, we have only one heart with 4 chambers. Okay, fine. I'm just kidding. So the option B is the right answer, guys. Next. Interphase 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Nucleolus will be visible. Chromatin ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Cell membrane will be visible. Nuclear membrane will be visible. Nucleolus will be visible. Meiosis 1 is divided into 4 phases. We know that. Cell division that produces the chromosome 1 by half. 4 phases ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Prophase 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ it is a longest stage and most complex phase. 90% of meiotic process is spent in prophase 1. Chromosome condense ಆಗತ್ತೆ, synapses occurs, okay. Then homologous chromosome come together to form a tetrad. Tetrad andre 2 chromosomes of 4 chromatids. This one is tetrad. Just a minute. This is called as tetrad. Next. Okay. Prophase 1, synapses, homologous chromosomes which are identical to one another, sister chromatids. These are the tetrads. So this is called as synapses, the center one. Next question. Very nice question. Arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequences. Crossing over, synapses, terminalization of chiasmata, disappearance of nucleolus. Options are here. Tell me the answer, guys. Who is going to answer this quickly? Yes. Meiosis events anna one by one neat agi arrange ಮಾಡಿ, which is the correct sequence you have to say. Yes, who is going to answer this first? Boys or girls? Let me see. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಾ? Lohit option B, Sinchana option C, Virat option B, Kanchana Raj option B. Okay, Gurusit option B, Two Heart One Soul option C, Pavitra option B, Meena option B, Aishwarya option B. So let us check the answer. The right answer is option B. Good. So here B allenagate, second one first agate. Second one, that is synapses. First crossing over. Then third one, terminalization of chiasmata. Then fourth one, that is disappearance of nucleolus. During gamete formation, the enzyme recombinase participates during which stage? Metaphase 1, anaphase 1, prophase 1, prophase 2. Gamete formation alli enzyme recombinase. Lohit answered as option C. Good. Virat option B. Two Heart One Soul option C, Parvati option C, Kumar option C, Aishwarya option C, Rakshita, Asha, Dyuti, Hemashri voted for option C. Yeah. So let us check the answer. The right answer is option C, prophase 1. Okay. Next. Just a minute. Okay. Crossing over ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ it is one of the two major occurrences of meiosis. ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಎರಡು ಮೇನ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್. ಆ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ chiasma or chiasmata. Then crossing over creates variation. See, non-sister chromatids crossing over agate, the tetrad is formed, which brings about variation. Metaphase 1 alli enagate, it is the shortest phase. Tetrads align on the metaphase plate. Then orientation of homologous to the poles in random variation. Formula is 2^1, that is 4. Fine. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2^n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. 2n is equal to 4 ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ n is equal to 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So 2^2, 4 combinations ಅಂತ. We will solve some problems like that. Which stage of meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chiasma as its distinctive feature? Diakinesis, Pachitin, Leptotin, Zygotin. Okay, quick answer is given by Chaitra as option A. Aishwarya option A. Lohit option A. Yes, YouTube students. Dyuti, Kumar, Rakshita, Parvati, Meena voted for option A, Vidya. So the right answer is option A, diakinesis. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosome is called a complex ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Kinetochore bivalent axoneme equatorial plate. Yes. Nuhu Sayyad option A. Lohit option B. Chaitra option B. Parvati option B. Sinchana option B. So the right answer here is option B, that is bivalent anta kariti. Next question. Amount of cellular DNA increases during which stage? Cytokinesis, fertilization, mutation, respiration. Option B is the right answer. Next. Metaphase 1. ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Anaphase 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Separate and move towards the poles. Sister chromatid remain attached at the centromere. Next, this is anaphase 1. Telophase 1, they will move to the poles and cytokinesis occurs. 2 haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay, this is telophase. Meiosis 2 only, no interphase 2, very short, no more DNA replication. It is similar to mitosis. Next question, which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Anaphase 2, telophase 2, metaphase 2, metaphase 1, metaphase 2. Early division of centromere agate. Yes. Lohit option A. What about others? Kumar option C. Gurusid option, okay, Dyuti option A, Virat option A, Pavitra option A, Hemashri, okay, one heart, 4 chamber option A, Viresh option A, Chaitra and Aishwarya Bagad option A. So most of them voted for option A. So that is anaphase 2. Okay. Regarding meiosis, which of the statement is incorrect? Yaudu wrong meiosis ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಹೌದಾ? 4 haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis 2. There are 2 stages in meiosis 1 and 2. DNA replication occurs in S phase of meiosis 2. Pairing of homologous chromosome and recombination occurs in meiosis 1. Which of the statement is incorrect? Yes, guys. Virat option D. One heart, 4 chamber option D. Gurusid option D. Kumar option D, Hemashri option D. Okay, let us check the answer. The right answer is option C. DNA replication occurs in S phase of meiosis 2. ಈಗಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ DNA replication in meiosis 2. S phase ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. DNA replication ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 haploid cell, that is correct. There are two stages, 1 and 2 meiosis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Pairing of homologous chromosome ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ meiosis 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Recombination occurs in meiosis 1. So that is also correct. Then how you guys suggested it as option D? ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು voted for option D. So the right answer is option C. Understand the question and then answer, guys. Okay. Next. Prophase 2. Same as prophase in mitosis. Condensation occurs. Metaphase 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ same as metaphase in mitosis. Equatorial plate ಗೆ align ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Then anaphase 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ separation of the chromatids occurs. Sister chromatids will be separated along with the kinetochore. Telophase 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ same as telophase in mitosis. Nucleus formation takes place. Illi 4 haploid cells are formed. Okay. This is telophase 2. Okay. So this is yeah. Bivalent in meiosis are tetrad, pair of non-homologous chromosome, pair of several chromatids, pair of homozygous chromosomes. Bivalent in meiosis are what? Chaitra option A. Gurusid option yes. Okay. Virat option D. Gurusid option A. Parvati option D. The right answer is option A, that is tetrad. Next question. Mitosis is the process by which eukaryotic cells expose the genes for protein synthesis, become specialized in structure and function, multiply, grow. Eukaryotic cell, mitosis, so eukaryotic cells aladaga, what is the first benefit? Samarth option C, Virat option C. The right answer is option C, that is multiply. 10th question. Recombination of genes occur at prophase in mitosis, prophase 1 in meiosis, prophase 2 in meiosis, metaphase 2 in meiosis. Virat option B. Yes, what about others? Gurusid option B. So the right answer is option B. Prophase 1 in mitosis. Sorry, meiosis. Next. Which out of the following is not a divisional stage? Illi ee stage alli division agalla. Telophase, interphase, metaphase, prophase. Rakshita option B, Parvati option B. Okay, interphase is the right answer. Next, 12th question. Crossing over is advantageous because it brings about option A, variation, B, linkage, C, inbreeding, D, stability. Duty option A, Virat option A, Chaitra option A. Very good, option A, variation is the right answer. 13th question. Prophase of reduction division, andre meiosis, is divided into number of stages. The correct chronological sequence, correct sequence ಯಾವುದು? A ಅಲ್ಲಿ leptotin, pachitin, zygotin, diplotin. B, leptotin, diplotin, diakinesis, pachitin, zygotin, diakinesis. Then leptotin, zygotin, diplotin, pachitin, diakinesis. Leptotin, zygotin, pachitin, diplotin, diakinesis. What is your answer, guys? Yes. Gurusid option A, Parvati option D. Chaitra option D. The right answer is option D. So this is regarding the questions of cell cycle and cell division. Fine. So yeah, let us proceed to the 5-star question of cell cycle, cell division. Be ready with your chat box, all of you. Once I say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then you have to answer. Just a minute. 1 minute. Whether the screen is visible? Okay. Okay, the first question of 5-star bio today. First question, spindle fibers attach onto telomere of chromosome, kinetochore of chromosome, uh, centromere of chromosome, kinetosome of chromosome. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First quick answer is given by Chaitra as B, kinetochore of chromosome. So Chaitra quickly answered and it correctly. Chaitra wins the question. So second question, during mitosis, ER and nucleolus begin to disappear at early metaphase, late prophase, early prophase. Yes, Aishwarya option D, Lohit option C. So the right answer is option C, that is late prophase. Lohit answered it. Next, third question, the mechanism of distributing centriole pairs to the daughter cell is called as equational, haplontic, astral, reductional cell division. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lohit option C, Duty option C. So the right and quick answer is given by Lohit, that is option C. Next question, cell division is initiated in plants by option A, cytokinin, B, abscisic acid, C, gibberellin, D, auxin. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lohit answered it quickly and correctly as option A, cytokinin is the right answer. Fifth question, a somatic cell that has just completed the S phase of its cycle as compared to gamete of same species has same number of chromosome but twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosome and 4 times amount of DNA, 4 times number of chromosome, twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosome, twice the amount of DNA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Samarth as option B. So the first and quick answer is given by correct answer is given by Samarth as option B. Option B is a right answer. So this is about cell cycle and cell division. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the topic of biomolecules. Please go through the important concepts of biomolecules and let us uh, interact much with the question and answer session. Whether the session is clear? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Okay. Whether your NEET exam got over? Okay. Lokit, how was the paper? Okay. Whether the question and answer sessions from Sankalp, whether it helped you to focus on NEET? Okay. Okay. So chemistry paper was bit tough. What about physics? Okay, physics was tough. Okay. As bio comprises of more marks, so easy ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, but I hope everyone read the question properly and answered. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. So, okay, guys, all the best for the CET exam too. Have a nice day. Take care.